Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find edit profile settings on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click here, and here as you see you will find your edit settings, edit profile settings, easy and quick. You can change your photo here, you can change your name, uh, you can add your pronouns, and you can add your bio here, and next click save and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.